Hi there, this is Roy coming at you from the ilFornino Pizza Academy showroom. We'll be doing a series of tips and tricks today to enhance your pizza oven experience. Today's topic will be handy wood-fired oven tools. Now in our previous videos, I have spoken about some essential must-have tools. Today I'm going to be talking more about some handy tools that are just nice to have to enhance your overall cooking experience. First item is the ilFornino cooking grill. This high-grade stainless steel grill is really fun to have. It's used for making steaks, chicken, fish, and vegetables. It comes with 4 legs, as you can see here. You can take those 4 legs off, and basically, when you're searing steaks, you remove the legs, drop it onto the hot coals, and then you place your steaks on top of there for an amazing steak. Now, the second tool is a rake. A rake is important for fire and for log management. Your third tool will be a shovel and brush combination. At ilFornino, we have a very high quality stainless steel shovel. It's got a nice long handle and a matching commercial brush as well. The brush has an adjustable head. As you can see here, you can turn this, and then your head can be used for either pushing or pulling. I hope you found today's tips on tools useful. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and more tricks for your wood-fired pizza oven experience.